Alchemy, a word shrouded in mystery and whispered with reverence. It is a journey into the heart of matter, a quest to unlock nature's secrets. Alchemy is a blend of science, philosophy and spirituality with roots stretching back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations from Egypt to China were captivated by the transformative power of nature. They observed the cycles of life and death, the changing seasons and the elements that shaped their world. In Egypt, alchemy was intertwined with the rituals of priests and the knowledge of scribes. They experimented with metals, dyes and perfumes, seeking to understand the essence of substances. The Greeks, with their love of philosophy, wove alchemy into their theories about the universe. They believed that all matter was composed of four elements: earth, air, fire and water. These elements, they believed, held the key to understanding the world and transforming it. Alchemy was more than just a practical pursuit. It was a spiritual quest for knowledge and enlightenment. Alchemists believed that by understanding the hidden forces of nature, they could unlock the secrets of the universe and even achieve immortality. Their laboratories were filled with bubbling concoctions, glowing embers, and the aroma of exotic herbs. They toiled away, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a belief in the transformative power of alchemy. At the heart of alchemy lay two elusive goals: the creation of the Philosopher's Stone and the discovery of the Elixir of life. The Philosopher's Stone, a legendary substance, was believed to hold the power to transmute base metals into gold. It was also thought to be the key to creating the Elixir of life, a potion that could grant immortality. The Philosopher's Stone was more than just a material object. It represented spiritual purification and enlightenment. Alchemists believed that the process of creating the stone was a metaphor for the transformation of the soul. Through a series of intricate steps, they sought to purify and refine their souls, just as they would purify metals in their laboratories. The elixir of life, often depicted as a golden liquid, held the promise of eternal youth and vitality. It was said to cure all diseases and extend life indefinitely. The quest for immortality has captivated humanity for centuries, and alchemy offered a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of conquering death itself. Alchemy was not confined to the Western world. It flourished in the East, particularly in China and India, where it developed its own unique traditions and practices. In China, alchemy was closely linked to Taoism, a philosophy that emphasizes living in harmony with nature. Chinese alchemists sought to harness the power of qi, the life force that flows through all things. Chinese alchemy made significant contributions to medicine and technology. They developed techniques for preparing herbal remedies and experimented with minerals, leading to the discovery of gunpowder. The Chinese belief in the interconnectedness of all things led them to explore the relationships between the human body, the cosmos, and the natural world. Islamic scholars played a crucial role in preserving and advancing alchemical knowledge during the Middle Ages. They translated ancient Greek and Egyptian texts into Arabic, making them accessible to a wider audience. Islamic alchemists made significant contributions to the development of distillation, crystallization and other laboratory techniques that would later form the foundation of modern chemistry. The birth of chemistry, a scientific revolution. By the 1600s, the seeds of a scientific revolution were sown. The old alchemical theories, based on mysticism and speculation, began to give way to a more empirical and experimental approach. Pioneers like Robert Boyle and Isaac Newton challenged the traditional view of the four elements, proposing instead that matter was composed of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. The development of the scientific method, with its emphasis on observation, experimentation and reproducible results, marked a turning point in the history of science. Alchemy, with its focus on secrecy and mysticism, gradually gave way to the more rigorous and systematic discipline of chemistry. The enduring legacy of alchemy. While alchemy may be considered a precursor to modern chemistry, its legacy extends far beyond the laboratory. Alchemy's influence can be seen in art, literature, and psychology. The alchemists' quest for transformation and their belief in the interconnectedness of all things continue to resonate with us today. Alchemy's emphasis on observation, experimentation, and the search for knowledge paved the way for the scientific revolution. The alchemists' spirit of exploration and their willingness to challenge conventional wisdom continue to inspire scientists and thinkers today. Although alchemy may no longer hold the same sway it once did, its legacy lives on, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end.